This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Jupiter Neurosciences Inc., a clinical stage biotechnology firm working on neuroscience therapies. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker JUNS, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker JUNS to find Jupiter Neurosciences Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed result that matches the company name. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart for JUNS. Confirm the company description and ticker to ensure this is the correct listing. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next trading session. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft reminder, find the eToro link in the description for more information.